gotta get you back. He gotta see it.
Hard time, real living. Down, it's scratch. Hard time, real living.
Fucking pussy.
He won't
Fucking pussy. Real living. Alright, so look, I ain't gonna lie, this Dave right here, no cap. And I ain't do no intro, but look, y'all know the situation that happened in my car and everything, right? You know what I'm saying? So look, I gotta get his reaction. He gotta see it. It might be blurry, I don't know if it might be blurry or not, but I see we had a car right now, by the way, I don't know. But he gotta give me a reaction. So look.
I go around the long way or right here?
Yeah, go around long way, long way.
Gotta build up the suspense. No, he's blue rap.
Yeah, no, say, you know the blue look good, don't it? The blue don't look good.
New rap too. He just put this
look,
on.
new rap. You see, then boom.
The bumper's not as bad as I thought. That's a wrap. You can rewrap that. Headlight, rip the headlight.
Yeah, the headlight cooked.
Fender, rip. Carbon fiber fenders now.
Exactly. Nah, I'm thinking about doing black. You know what I'm saying? Black fenders.
Nah, upgrade them. Carbon fiber, lightweight.
You think I can pop that out though?
Fuck no.
But no, yeah, it's bad. I ain't gonna lie. Horrible. No yap. Fuck it.
Yeah, no popping that out.
No cap. Bad. Alright, bro, so I ain't gonna lie. Look, listen. Right now, we had a car meet. We leaving the car meet. I ain't record the whole car meet at all. But to be honest with you, I'm in the car when I got David right now. He's the cameraman. You know what I'm saying? Everybody just do pulls and stuff like that. No yap. Damn, everybody look good. We about to do pulls and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? The police. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We about to get some food. You know what I'm saying? Then we leaving the car meet. You're not doing no more car stuff. But show the cars though. Show the shit. Something slight.
I ain't focusing.
For the police, I'm gonna do a pull right in front of the boys. Fuck him. I know you're about to pull out. No cap. I ain't gonna lie. No, for real though, but I ain't gonna lie, when we go to the main road, I'm gonna do pulls, things of that nature, and yeah, we're gonna turn the camera on then, so. Oh! That's it slow! It's slow! Okay. I can try to see if the people want pages, the Mopar people. And I'm a business owner now, you know what I'm saying? I just pages for What up? This RT? Huh?
That boy sell his word.
This right here, this RT? Both of y'all cars, right? Y'all got SRT pages?
We parking right here, so man can sell some shit.
What he do? You want him? You want him?
On that word real quick.
You know what I'm saying? Promotion.
Yeah.
Except promotion. You know what I'm saying? I'm a business owner now, you know what I'm saying? I got a business account. I got a business card.
I didn't record the whole thing. Don't get too heavy.
No, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Unlocked, you know what I'm saying? See, you got that self-promotion right there, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck? I'm a business owner now, you feel me? So I gotta promote myself.
Take every shot.
Yeah, take every shot that you know, or unless you don't miss. Because if you don't take the opportunity to take the shots, I'm saying, you're gonna be cooked.
Cause why? He's gonna text you a month and now boom, you made money.
Exactly. Boom. Look, now listen, he's talking about he gonna go back to, you know what I'm saying, his homeboy. His homeboy gonna be like, yeah, that's a lot. You know what I'm saying, you might as well do it. You know what I'm saying, you gonna have sport pages, and it's a shaker too, manual too. Man, what? He gonna have he gonna have the what's it called? The little suspension. He gonna have the suspension of a track.
Let's show this shit. Let's show bro's car.
Okay. I got the summer open just in case, you know what I'm saying? You want to, you know what I'm saying? Smooth. Okay, smooth. Like, we rate that right here.
What's that? Oh, that beam is?
Yeah, we rate this right here. We rate that right here.
Ooh.
We rate that right here.
That's a good 9.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a 5. Oh, it is a 5. He's sliding. Oh!
And I missed it.
Is that a Viper?
Was it red? Was it red?
Yeah.
The red one? Yeah, it was a Gen 1 Viper.
Nigga, the Viper was sliding that big car! You acting up today, what the fuck? This shit smells good. This shit smells good as fuck.
Oof.
Yeah, right here,
oh yeah, we on that.
Yeah, we wanna go get that nigga. Get him. Play no game. Hold up. Oh, hey. Look at it. Look at the big right here though. Look at that joint right there though.
Ooh.
370. Okay.
You got Mark 4 Supra. Camaro.
Hey, he played some good songs though. Sky and the champagne. Living a life in the fast lane.
Glamorous.
Oh, So close.
Glamorous.
You play that shit. You play that shit.
Who's that?
Can't hang out the window all the way though. Oh, got the switch. Got the switch. Hey, I got a switch on me right now. Hey, that's somebody. I got a switch on me right. Got a switch. Got a switch on me right now. What? Wait. Camaro wants to smoke. I got a switch. I got a switch on me. Wait a minute. I gotta give him the switch. I gave him the switch.
Where are you going?
You gotta switch on him too.
Got that burgle.
No, come on, let me get over. My bad, guys. I cut you a little. But yeah, I got that switch on me though. Stop playing. Okay, I got that switch on me. No cap. Got that. What a switch do? I had a switch on. Look at the switch on. Hey, I got that switch on me.
I believe it.
Got that switch. Hey, your shit sound good though, for sure.
Appreciate it, brother.
Hey, yeah.
Let's
Yo,
see
let me
this.
get up.
Hey,
Let me get up.
that shit's smooth.
Let him get in front. Let me get in front. Yo, let him get in front.
I bet. Hey, look at this. Look,
Oh,
look,
he got a
Hey,
360
look at this
character.
shit though. Right hand drive. You gonna let me drive it?
I don't know, man.
Hey, be honest. Do you think I know how to drive? You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
It's manual?
No, it's automatic.
Aw, damn. It's still good though.
GTE?
No, G.
Oh, okay. So non-turbo, then, eh? Okay, it's still sick though.
It look good. That's your rap?
Nah, it's a day job.
Oh, okay. Say that's it's smooth.
Thank you.
Yeah, fuck that guy. He's a weirdo.
Fucking pussy.
He won't even,
Fucking pussy.
he won't even let bro drive it.
Hey, I got a switch on me right now. 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 I got a switch on me. Got a switch. Okay. I got that switch on me, nigga. Stop playing. No cap.
And we out. They all back there.
No cap.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, with a water bottle in my hand. With a water bottle in my hand.
With the water bottle.
Stop playing, nigga.
He wants to hear the switch.
You ready? 3,
Yeah.
2. Hey. Oh my gosh. Only ass road. Look, listen. That's why I like when we interact with people like that.
Hello?
And they match my energy, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people don't match your
Yeah,
energy, you know what I'm
making
saying?
sure you're
A lot of people don't match
doing
your
the
energy when you interacting with them. They don't match your energy. So I like when people match my energy when I'm interacting and stuff like that. So
Okay.
it's cool. Little smooth thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I feel bad for my car right now because when I was hitting that little shit next to the people, I was, you know what I'm saying, pushing. I was in the low gear, you know what I'm saying, just hitting it, you know what I'm saying, just hitting it, you know what I'm saying, tapping the jump. So I know for a fact my car mad at me right now. Car probably crying in tears. No, yeah. And I ain't tried to jump like this in a long time. I didn't push my car. I haven't pushed my car in so long, so I already know my car probably mad right now. No cap. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, we gotta go get some food. It's already in at night. We'll go get some food, and then when we go get some food, we about to just, you know what I'm saying, sit, go to David's house.
About to go chill.
Yeah. No cap. My first time seeing this apartment.
That was the whitest shit I've ever done.
What the? What you do?
I said. Alright, go.
We go do things that, you know what I'm saying, we're not supposed to do. I get easily influenced, you know what I'm saying? So, what I'm about to do, I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, burn my tires a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. I'm saying, just because, you know what I'm saying, you know, easily influenced, you know? I'm just that type of person, you feel me? So, I'm gonna test it out first, I'm gonna practice a little bit, and I'm gonna do it. But, you know what I'm saying, think about it, look at this road is perfectly brand new. And why not, you know what I'm saying? Why not? I'm gonna practice though before I even do it. Practice, because I just want to see if I'm able to do it. You know, my brake light on too. Like my brake light on. Traction is off, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Traction is off. Let's try it out right here.
Let me see if I can get the.
I'm gonna see if my tires actually get loose.
I can't even see it.
I was sliding that bitch though. To be honest, I was sliding that bitch.
Wheel, you got the wheel. You got the wheel.
I was sliding that bitch. Don't kill. I was sliding that bitch. My God,
Put this in. Don't cancel it. I seen Step through 2, 3. I didn't see shit actually. I seen him attempt a burnout.
Yeah, nah, I ain't gonna lie. He got some 315 or 305 and shit. And I had 315. I have 315.
He got 11-inch.
I had 315 and 305s, and I know for a fact they don't work. Don't cap.
His
Unless
wheels,
you got a Hellcat.
His wheels are 11 inches wide. That's overly.
They don't work unless you got a Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? So whoever did this bullshit, they asked. I ain't gonna lie. Look at him. Almost look. I'm about to crash and shit. Like about to go inside this shit right here. That's how you're really supposed to do it right here. Stop playing. Really get what I'm saying? What? Ooh. What? Come on, now. That's how you're really supposed to do it, bro. Niggas ain't really sliding for real. Look at this bullshit. Little ass tires, weak ass tires, shit stink. I'm gang, this shit stink. Shit stink. Take that shit out somewhere. Fucking pussy. He won't even pussy.